Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free diamonds on Bigo Live in 2025. I discovered the new method to do it. So basically, you just want to go to this website. It's called hexmods.com. So let me just type it in right here. So once you make it to this site, guys, we can actually download this onto our device. So I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in Bigo. And as you can see, it says Bigo Live. So just go ahead and press on it. And this is like the mod, unlimited diamonds. So just go ahead and press the download button and it should start to download. So before it downloads, guys, I do want to say there's going to be one more step. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for that to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So here we go. So as you can see, it's the verification step. It's really simple. You can see it says, please take a few minutes to complete verification. Keeps your server safe from malicious activity. So you need to download 2 of these apps to complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store. So just press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the app store. Now bear in mind, guys, each app is going to have its own instructions. And I'm in the US, so if you're in another country and you see different apps, that's totally fine. But make sure you're completing them. You can see like Family Island says reach level 10. That's actually the one I did. But there's also like TikTok, WGT Golf. So just do whatever you want to do, guys. I'll see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting the Bigo Live free diamonds mod. So this is super cool. You cannot get banned for this, so you guys don't have to worry about ban. Just complete the verification. It's like a mod installer thing. And down here it says checking completion, so it's actively looking to make sure you did it. But yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super crazy and it totally works, guys.